Yao is a 4x4 method that all the top 4x4 solvers use, and with this tutorial, you can learn it in 10 minutes or less. And the steps include making a center that's either white or yellow, solving 3 cross edges on the left, solving the rest of the centers, solving the last cross edge, thus solving the whole cross, pairing up all of the edges so everything will be solved, and then you just solve the rest like a 3x3. And if this is your first time learning 4x4, you can get parodies, and we'll also go over this in the video. You can also get parodies in PLL, and we'll also go over that. So the first step is to make a center. We're going to choose white for simplicity's sake. So I see 2 pieces, a bar here, like an example. This one's going to be intuitive, but here you should, then I'm going to pair these up right here. Then here, bring them down. Do a D to line these up and insert them. Now here, and yeah, that's your first center. The next step is to make the center on top, and here I see these two can be paired up really well. Here we have a bar up here, and here we can move this out of the way and just bring this in and insert. And now here we have 2 centers solved. Now here, after you solve the centers, you must rotate so the white center is on the left. Then here we're going to go in a specific order, which goes blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green, and then red will be down here. So for blue, I see these two can be paired up. So there's blue. For orange, I see these two, so you can move this down, D, this, move this up, D, this down, and here, then reinsert it. And for green, right here, I see these two. These two are opposites, so I can bring these up, move down, and just insert it. And then that's like how you build the white cross in Yao. So just keep this in mind. Blue, orange, green. So first blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green. But if green is bad, do red. Then green will be your last cross piece. For centers, we're only gonna pick like one rule, and the only rule is that most of your moves will have to be done with your right hand, and buff will be done with your right hand. Will mostly be R moves. So here, I think the best center to do right now is blue. So I'm going to bring them up. Then find blue cross edge, put them in here. Then orange seems really good. So I can pair them up. Then insert. Like that. And then for the last cross piece, but the last center, the last 2 centers, you're going to do this, set them up like that, then here, then just fix it. Yeah. Now here, to pair up edges, you're going to use one simple algorithm. Here, where I think we should do this one. Blue orange, there's a blue orange right here. We're going to pair them up and do this algorithm. So if it's on top, you're going to flip. Okay, so here, you're going to turn to top like this. Flip the edge, which is R, U, R prime. F, R prime, F prime, R. But then I noticed that this edge was paired, so if you get this edge pair, you can just move it out of the way, then insert and pair this up. So yeah, here we're gonna look for another edge pair. So blue yellow. I see these two. Now, if you get them on the bottom, you can just do a D move, then flip the edge. Here. Here. I see these two. Flip. Then, yeah, and you're just gonna do a bunch of flipping algorithms. And so, yeah, that's how you do edge pairing on 4x4 for beginners. There's a faster one called 3-2-3, which I'll be explaining that in a later video. So next up, you're just going to solve the first two layers just like a 3x3. Then right here, if you get this case where like it's supposed to be a line, but like one of the edges is not flipped correctly, that is what known as OLL parity. So to do OLL parity, the algorithm's up here. I know it's a little lengthy, but then it's really fast. So yeah. And just in case you guys want to see it fast, it goes like this. Then you can solve the rest just like a normal 3x3. Unless where you get two edge pieces swapped like this. That is what's known as PLL parity, and the algorithm's up here. It's not that bad as OLL parity, but it's really fast too. And congratulations, you have learned the Yao method for 4x4. If you want to learn if this method doesn't work for you, we can do, there's Hoya, which is coming soon, so stay tuned for that tutorial.